Welcome to Lecture 10, Effective Eye Contact and Facial Expressions. In this lesson, you'll discover how your eyes and facial expressions can dramatically improve your communication skills, helping you connect, engage, and build trust with others. Eye contact is one of the most powerful tools in communication. It builds trust, shows you're paying attention, and demonstrates confidence. Making good eye contact encourages others to communicate openly with you. Aim to maintain eye contact about half to two-thirds of the time during a conversation. Too much can feel intimidating, while too little may seem disinterested. Striking the right balance helps you appear engaged and approachable. To make eye contact feel natural, look between the person's eyes or at the bridge of their nose. Remember to blink normally and occasionally shift your gaze to avoid making the other person uncomfortable. Facial expressions are a universal language. They help you express emotions, reinforce your words, and show empathy. A genuine smile, a concerned look, or raised eyebrows can all add meaning to your message. Simple facial expressions like a smile show friendliness and openness. A frown can indicate concern or confusion, while raised eyebrows often signal surprise or interest. Being aware of these helps you communicate more effectively. It's important to match your facial expressions to your message. If your face doesn't match your words, it can confuse your listener. Practice in front of a mirror to ensure your expressions are in sync with what you're saying. A genuine smile is a simple but powerful tool. It helps build rapport, puts others at ease, and makes you more approachable. People are naturally drawn to those who smile sincerely. Negative facial expressions, like frowning or rolling your eyes, can send the wrong message. Be mindful of your facial habits, especially in professional or sensitive situations. Remember, eye contact and facial expressions can have different meanings in different cultures. Some cultures see direct eye contact as disrespectful, while others value it highly. Always be aware and respectful of these differences. Practice makes perfect. Record yourself to observe your eye contact and facial expressions or ask for feedback from others. The more you practice, the more natural and effective your nonverbal communication will become. To sum up, effective eye contact and facial expressions are vital for strong communication. They help you build trust, reinforce your message, and connect with others. With practice and cultural awareness, you can master these skills. Now it's your turn. Start observing how people use eye contact and facial expressions.